News. So, do not forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon to get latest news super fast. A new update has started rolling out to the Nokia 2 smartphone. Currently hitting units in India, it's a security update that brings along Android patch for the month of April. There's currently no information on what other major changes, if any, are included in the update. Most other Nokia branded smartphones from HMD have already received the April update, so it's good that the Nokia 2 has finally started getting it as well. Over-the-air rollouts usually happen in phases, so be patient if the notification hasn't popped up on your unit yet. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.